What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Gonna go over our friend Pepe, or up 40% in the last 24 hours. Absolutely insane. We're sitting at 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 6, 9. Market cap's all the way up at 5.34 billion. 24-hour volume. Wow, 3.91 billion. A lot of trading action with Pepe. So I don't have a significant amount of chart to work with, but you do have a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3 to the upside, and you can see that this was a shallow pullback, so it could definitely be a wave 4. It didn't quite break into wave 1, so that's a-okay. So I can give you guys a wave 5 target to look for. Take a trend base extension from the bottom of 2 to the top of 3 to the bottom of 4, and you can target anywhere in between the 50%, but usually it will go to the 61.8 to the 78.6, which is at I'm just going to say 0.05387, and then you're all the way up, knock off a 0 at 0.010844. So do watch this head and shoulders. I don't think it will play out. I do think we'll see strength continuation in the market, but it is something to watch for. We need to break that top, but that's a target to look for. Let's zoom in. That's the weekly chart. So let's zoom in and see what we have off the low here. Yeah, that's looking nice. Look at that, guys. Nice inverse head and shoulders. Probably already hit the target. Nice inverse head and shoulders right there. Left shoulder head, right shoulder. Massive, massive pump to the upside for our friend Pepe. Sometimes I like to call it PP. Corny. Yeah, you can see we perfectly hit that target. So as of right now, off that wave 4 low, you have wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 pullback, 3, 4, and then you look to push up in a wave 5. Let's quickly measure and see if that wave 3 hit the 161.8. I'm sure it did. Wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 pullback. Yeah, as you can see, hit the 161, push a little bit higher. So now we're just consolidating a little bit. Well, of course, it can just continue to pump. It's a meme coin. In a wave 4, something like this, pull back a little bit, boom, push up in a wave 5. That's your first wave 1 to the upside of the larger wave count. So what you'd be looking for here is something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to complete that larger wave 5 for Pepe. So these are your targets to look for going forward. If you'd like to make me if you'd like me to make more videos on Pepe, smash up that like button and make sure to subscribe. You can have completely free access to my trading group. All you have to do is take 30 seconds of your time and sign into Bitfinex, top link in the comments. That's it. There's no strings attached. Once you sign up, just send me an email and I will send you the link. Completely free access to my daily crypto analysis for many, many projects, as well as my exact trade setups. We're going to trade for Ethereum, what I'm invested in, when I'm taking my profits. I'm posting news. One of my members is posting news all day long. Yours free. All you have to do is take 30 seconds, sign up to Bitfinex. That's it. There's no strings attached. Top of the comments. Go check it out. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next one. Much love. Take care.